kids, in this video you will learn to draw a landscape using different types of line. Here I am drawing a wave line to define horizon and difference between sky and land. Start from foreground, draw some bushes like this. Here I am using curve lines including small and big curve. Here on left hand side we'll draw more to create nice effect on a landscape. We are drawing this landscape of hills like a mountain area. So here we draw a hut using vertical lines for walls, connect them, and diagonal line like this and horizontal lines for roof. And a window here. Now we'll draw some trees. First, mark the section where we want to draw our trees using vertical lines like this. The trees that we will be drawing are like Christmas trees using zigzag lines like this. It is important to understand the shape of the trees, conical from top and broad from base. See how I am using this zigzag lines like this. See, it is simple. Now on right side also we'll draw some trees in same manner using our zigzag line, conical from top and broad from our base. See how I am moving my hand. Nothing to be specific, just use that lines in a random manner. Just remember the shape of the trees. See here I am using some more trees in the background to create the depth in our landscape. See how I am using my zigzag lines freely. Now we'll draw some bushes here. Here also, just to enhance the beauty of our landscape. Now we draw mountains. Here I am using conical and angular lines like similar like zigzag. Now here to curve to define waterfall. Now just a line to separate a mountain. Here one more mountain range, just to create a sense of depth. We'll extend these lines to make them look more like real mountains and add depth while making them look like overlapping, as you can see. Okay, now here on top, I'm adding some clouds. Here like this, using some curve, small and big. Like this is to understand to make our cloud bouncy and bubbly. See, just a small and big curves. Now here's a small cloud here. Now adding a sun, like here with curve. Now using spiral line to make them look like some fantasy clouds. Just like this, and more here side. Yes. Now here we draw more wave line and in base to define water and to create difference between land and water in our drawing. See, now our water look more specific and our drawing is done. You can add color to it according to your choice and practice it. Yeah.